Hey everyone, and welcome to the Dotfather. Today we are going to be talking about how to provide your dots in a parachain crowd loan auction so that you could get rewards in a specific project. I've actually participated in multiple since I believe of the beginning of March. However, because I created the Dotfather, I am the Dotfather, I will be showing you exactly how to participate using the Parallel Finance platform. And so welcome to the episode, and let's dive in. So there's a couple of things that I would like to show before we go ahead. First of all, Dot Market Cap is a really good resource just to know everything about Polkadot and Kusama, whether it's projects overview, auctions, staking. You can even connect your portfolio to it. It's just a really nice UI dashboard to understand everything about the ecosystem. So here we could see exactly what are the current crowd loans that are being active. Unique Network and Litentry are the forerunners for the Polkadot Parachains. We could see here exactly what is the estimated reward per dot. And personally, I will be giving a tutorial on Litentry. Now, the reason why I want to target this specific parachain is because I believe it's one of the most spoke about topics in Web3 today. It's regarding identity infrastructure, and this is exactly what Litentry does. If we go into their website, we could see exactly what kind of target they want to achieve, right? A decentralized identity aggregator. We could see here that with Litentry, we're able to link user identities across multiple networks, which is a really cool idea. How do you go ahead and create a Web3 identity, but also keep it private and anonymized? And so this is exactly what this blockchain, this layer 1, is going to be providing to the Polkadot ecosystem. And so we've been talking a lot about it. We could even estimate how many different tokens we will be receiving along with its market value. Right now, Litentry is talking $1.45 per lit, which obviously is a pretty good number. There's only 100 million total supply, and 20% of this supply, so 20 million, will be dedicated to the Parallel crowd loan auction. Sorry, not Parallel, the Litentry auction. Now, Parallel, I've actually used this platform for a lot of these different parachains. So with Polkadot itself, you are not able to withdraw your dots until the end of the leasing period, which is around, give or take, 2 years, right? And so that means that, yes, you will get 20% or 30% of the project in hand immediately, and then have them vested over a 2-year period. But your dots, you will not be able to use them as they will be locked for that 96-week period. And so Parallel came in, which, by the way, they have investments from Sequoia, Founders Fund, Lightspeed. This is an amazing project within the Polkadot ecosystem. They actually secured the 3rd or the 4th parachain auction. And so what they provide is a really cool way to not only participate in the crowd loans, but also use these dots or these tokens for staking or for money markets, right? You could swap your tokens, right? So by giving a specific dot, you will get what's called a C dot or an X dot in return, right? It's a 1-to-1 ratio that Parallel has created, and so you're able to use it for the next 2 years, right? So that you could stake it, you could compound your investments, and so here I've actually used the crowd loan link for Litentry. You could see exactly which ones are available within the crowd loan section. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. So let's go ahead and talk about the main bridge. This is my Polkadot wallet. You could see here I have 626.19 dot. And yep, the estimated rewards, right? So here we can see the reward rules. What is the total token supply, and of course the reward system in itself. And so here, let's go ahead and contribute. right? So let me go ahead and contribute. What did I want to do? Let's say 350 dots. This is a referral code. Your dot will be contributed to the crowd loan via Parallel's platform. Excellent, excellent, and contribute to Litentry. Yep, so here we could see, okay, so I need to go ahead and provide my password. So I'm gonna cut this part of the video so that I could fetch it. And voila, here we go. Thank you for contributing to the Litentry's crowd loan. You have successfully contributed. You could check your rewards anytime. So this will probably take a couple of days until you receive it. Since I did it on Parallel, there's also really cool Parallel bonuses that you could receive based on your contributions. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'm really excited about the Parachain auctions, obviously, ever since they came out in November. Please use the referral link below to support the Dotfather. And until next time.